Why are companies suddenly leaving their own servers and moving everything to the cloud? It is a just trend or is there a real reason behind it? Let's understand this in the simplest way. Today many companies are changing how they run their websites and applications. Instead of using traditional servers, they are moving to the cloud platforms like Google Cloud. But why is this shift happening? To understand that, we first need to understand two things. What are traditional servers and what is cloud computing? Let's start with the traditional servers. A traditional server is a physical computer that a company buys and keeps in an office or a data center. These servers are used to run websites, store data, and run business applications. But here is the problem. The company has to manage everything: hardware maintenance, software updates, electricity, and cooling systems. And this becomes expensive and complicated. Now let's understand cloud computing. Cloud computing means using computing services over the internet instead of owning physical machines. Instead of buying servers, companies simply run them online. These services include servers, storage, databases, and networking. Everything is available on demand. First reason is cost. With traditional servers, companies have to spend lot of money upfront, buying hardware, setting up data centers, paying for electricity, hiring maintenance staff. But in the cloud, companies follow a pay as you go model. That means you only pay for what you use. This saves a lot of money. Now let's talk about scalability. Scalability means handling more users without slowing down. With traditional servers, if more users come, you need to buy new machines, and that can take weeks. But in the cloud, you can increase power in minutes. This helps businesses grow faster. Setting up a traditional server takes time. You need to buy hardware, install software, and configure everything. But in the cloud, you can create a server almost instantly. This helps companies launch products faster. Cloud providers have data centers around the world. This means companies can run their apps closer to users. When apps closer to user, websites load faster and users get a better experience. With traditional servers, companies handle everything: hardware issues, updates, and monitoring. But in the cloud, the provider handles all of this. So companies can focus on building products instead of managing systems. Cloud systems are designed to be reliable. They use multiple backup systems. If one server fails, another one takes over automatically. This ensures systems keep running. Today's technologies need high computing power, like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and big data. Cloud platforms provide these tools easily without a complex setup. Let's take a simple example. Imagine an online shopping website. During festival sale, millions of users visit at the same time. With traditional servers, the website may slow down or crash. But with cloud computing, extra power is automatically added and the website runs smoothly. So here is the simple truth. Companies are moving to the cloud because it offers lower cost, easy scaling, faster setup, global access, less maintenance, better reliability, and support for modern technologies.